It's a nice red male there.
I don't know, when you look at the bill, that's got a big bill. Just a smaller bird, that's all. Probably is a juvenile.
That's a beautiful red male. Another one there.
There's 3 females there. Oh, it's a cracking male, that one. I'm looking at.
One on the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really red.
Yeah, he is, isn't he? Another male. Oh,
2 females.
breeding male there.
Green colour. Look at those big beaks, eh?
The one on the top right is very. You see the bill really well.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to go a bit light, more light now.
But it's not as bullish, that one lower, is it?